Hey guys, so today I'm going to be playing with some of the products from the LA Colors Bubble Tea collection. Now, this came out in February, but I'm sure that some of you picked it up. So the palette that I'm going to use today is Blueberry Shimmer. And, I went through my videos trying to find like a haul video or a collection video where I was showing all the different products. And then I started looking for the other palettes in the collection to see if I did makeup tutorials with those, and I don't know what's going on, but I couldn't find anything. So if you've been waiting for a bubble tea video, here it is. But I remember doing that video, but I can't find it on my channel. That collection had 4 eyeshadow palettes, it had 4 lip glosses, and it had 4 lip oils. Yeah, and I remember doing the video, but I'll be darned if I can figure out where it is. And I'm sure that I've already used the other eyeshadow palettes because the way I organize my makeup for videos, I know I had to have used them because they're no longer in my basket of things to be used. So I don't know what the deal is with that. But anyways, let's dive right in. So far I have used my Hard Candy Glosstopia Lip Repair Oil in Crystal Clarity, e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer, Lottie London Bright Bounce Corrector in Light, Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation in 00BB, and then set everything with e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder in Light Pink. Then I used NYX Buttermilk Bronzer in Butta Cup. And then I used Lottie London Sweet Blush Liquid Blush in Soft Rose. And then I used Lottie London Diamond Bounce Illuminating Highlighter in Frosted. And I think I forgot to say I used my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Beige. Okay, so some of those products are in my bag of stuff that I'm, trying to use. If I went through that too fast or you don't know what I said or how to spell it, everything is always listed in the description box so that you can reference anything that I talk about. Okay, so, I've used this in yesterday's video and I was so happy with the way everything performed that I'm going to use it again. This is my Profusion Pigment base. It's really just an eyeshadow primer, and you only need the tiniest little bit, you guys. So when you squeeze out the tube, I mean, it's just crazy pigmented. So I just put a tiny little bit. Now I do already have some foundation in my eye area, so that's why it's really important for me not to use too much because I don't want it to be all cakey. But a little bit of eyeshadow primer is a good idea. I had been skipping out on that for a while, but it definitely helps make your eyeshadow look come out better. Oh, I also forgot to say I used my Profusion brow kit. So yeah, we're going to use this Blueberry Shimmer eyeshadow palette from the Bubble Tea collection. So that was a small collection that they released at Dollar Tree. But I was swatching this palette this morning, and the shadows that I decided to use, one of them has got a very unusual quality about it. I'll show you what I mean. So what I decided to do was use these two right here. So yeah, let me swatch this one. But look at that. It's almost like a duochrome type effect. And then there's the other one that I want to use. So those are the two that I decided to go with. Yeah, it's like a duochrome, kind of a glowy effect. Okay, so I just took those swatches off. I keep a bottle of micellar water next to me because I don't want to make a big mess. All right, I'm going to do it the way I did yesterday. I'm going to go in with this fluffy eyeshadow brush. I like using this brush because it doesn't seem to kick up the product in the pan the way a small shader brush does. So let's just go right in with that on the lid. But I distinctly remember using the other eyeshadow palettes in this collection in videos, but yet when I type that information in and do a search within my channel, nothing comes up. So I don't understand why that is the case, because I know I did multiple videos using this collection. Sometimes I don't understand the way their search mechanism works on YouTube, because I've had that problem before where I'm searching for something that I know I've done videos with on my channel, but yet it says 0 results when I hit the search button. Okay, so I can see right on the lash line there, we need to get some there. That is a very unusual shadow, you guys. The finish on it is really different. Okay, now we're going to switch to a clean brush, and this is just a small Butta eyeshadow brush. And now I'm going to dip into that teal color. And we're going to start right in the outside. So does anybody out there play Animal Crossing still? I have been tearing my island apart and changing everything. And boy, is that expensive. Um, in Animal Crossing, when you put in inclines and bridges and move buildings around, it's going to cost you. It's so worth it, though. I love terraforming and waterscaping and all that stuff, and just changing the whole layout of the island around. This is the second time that I've done this, and I can't wait to see what it's going to look like when I'm finished. I'm almost finished, but not quite. I still need to get certain recipes to do what I'm trying to do in this last portion that I'm developing. Certain DIY recipes so I can build the furniture and make it look like what I want. And I shouldn't have any trouble getting the recipe that I want, because um, Lazy Villager is the one I'm going to need to get it from, and I currently have 3 or 4 lazy villages on my island. They just kept offering me lazies that I really, really wanted, but one of them is definitely going to have to go because I just have too many of the same thing, because you start getting repeat dialogue. where you'll talk to a lazy and then go up and talk to another lazy and they say the exact same thing that the last one did. I don't like that. All right, I'm gonna go in with this detail brush and let's do this green up here underneath my lower lash line. I never use traditional eyeliner anymore. I love using shadow. It just gives the whole thing a softer look underneath, especially when you're doing something bright and, or dark and colorful up above. I don't want to go dark underneath too. Okay, just gonna hit that the outer corner there and just kind of tie it all together. Now for a highlight, this Lottie London face highlight, I'm definitely going to use that as my eye highlight as well. Lottie London is sold at select Walmart stores. Some of their products are very hit and miss. Some of them I love, some of them I just okay, some of them I don't like. If you watch my videos, I have always been very vocal about, you know, what I like, and this is gorgeous. I really love this. That is worth getting. All right, I am going to shut off the camera, do the other eye, and come back and we will continue on. Okay, so I did the other eye. I curled my lashes with my Wet n Wild lash curler, and then I used LA Colors Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara from Dollar Tree. And now we're gonna do the lips. So they have these LA Colors Juicy Lip Kits at Family Dollar, not Dollar Tree, not Dollar General, but Family Dollar. And last time I was there, I did see them there. They're on a freestanding cardboard display, and it's a lip gloss and a lip pencil. And this is one of the things that I'm trying to use up, and this is in the shade Watermelon. And I love the idea of having them match. And yeah, I'm also going to use the e.l.f. O-Face Satin Lipstick in Effortless. It's like a mauve. And then the LA Colors Juicy Lip Gloss in Watermelon. Those colors pair up nicely together. I'm going to miss this e.l.f. lipstick, but it is such a great color, but I have so many lipsticks that I just can't justify buying the same things over and over again, no matter how much I love them. Sometimes I do, though. In a moment of weakness, I do. Okay, that leaves us with setting spray. Now, I just washed my hair, so I really need to get this as far away from this as possible, because setting spray can make your hair a little dirty. But try to hold it back as much as I can here. All right, so that is the look that I came up with the Blueberry Shimmer palette from the Bubble Tea collection. So if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel when you do. And subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.